If you want to rank higher on Google and attract the right traffic, you need the right keywords. In this video, I'm showing you how to do keyword research for SEO and find the best keywords for your website or blog. Step 1, understand your niche. Start by understanding your audience and niche. Step 2, use keyword research tools. Look for search volume, competition, and relevance to pick keywords that are worth targeting. Step 3, focus on long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases. Long-tail keywords usually have lower competition and higher conversion potential. Step 4, analyze your competitors. Check what keywords your competitors are ranking for. Tools can show you the top performing keywords of similar sites. This helps you find gaps and opportunities to target. Step 5, prioritize and plan. Finally, create a keyword list and prioritize based on search volume, competition level, relevance to your content. Use this list to plan your content strategy and blog posts for maximum impact. So that's how you do keyword research for SEO and find the best keywords for your site. Remember, the right keywords drive traffic, improve rankings, and attract the audience you want. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe for more SEO and digital marketing tips every week.